In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to reset the router back to factory defaults for your D-Link DIR-X6080Z Wi-Fi 6 router. Resetting the router is fairly simple, and you may need to do so if you have changed your internet service provider or if you have moved to a new location and need to set up the router again. So to do a reset, at the bottom of the router, there is a reset pinhole. Simply use a paper clip or pin and insert it into the reset pinhole and press it once. The router will restart. Once the router reboots, you can use the default settings that came with the router. So this is how you do a reset for your D-Link DIR-X6080Z Wi-Fi 6 router.